Nespresso. It's run out.
I don't know where to begin. Could be the curves on your body, but then could be your hair, maybe your skin. Yeah, baby girl, I'm tryna get with you. Come, let me see what we get into. It don't even gotta be physical, long as that pretty face visible. Yeah.
Feel your eyes, cold skin. Rice wine, candlelight is still not enough for me to know about your ins and outs. You're letting me know you want me around, but now how can I be sure? You got me begging for more than a dead end, so lay it down for me instead right now. Now, how about we just jump in the deep end? I won't let you drown, I won't let you down. Jump in the deep end. Oh, I won't let you drown, I won't let you down. Oh, no.
Your outline in the candlelight got me reaching for the other side. I stretch my hands out forward, oh, but I hesitate. I watch the flame contort and die. I never claimed that I was brave. I only cut you out of way. I catch a wave. I only dip my toes and cold hearted and divided, but you broke the silent sign. You got me diving now. How can I be sure? You got me begging for more than a dead end, so lay it down for me instead right now. Now,
All right, y'all, it is time for the taste test. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love the natural, like, what's it called, creme or like foam. Oh my gosh, flavor. This is where I was supposed to be all along. Yes. Oh, it tastes so good. Oh my god. Something about the cannoli creamer with the strong Nespresso flavor, the robustness. I'm so happy. Anyway, y'all, I really hope that you guys enjoyed unboxing, setting up, cleaning, brewing our first cup of coffee together. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, my name is Ree. On the channel, we do a lot of things. Maybe a little bit of this, plus travel, life, and beauty. So if you're interested in those things, definitely hit that subscribe. P.S. I'm very happy that I waited until I unboxed it, because now I have a little coupon code so I can get like some discounts on my Nespresso order. So I'm gonna let you guys know in the future which pods I order, and you guys will definitely be seeing more of the Nespresso. Leave a comment down below if you enjoy my little coffee/wine setup. I thought it was a really cool way to transform. This used to be my TV stand, but I decided to transform it into a little coffee wine nook in my room, since I don't really watch TV like that anymore if it's not Netflix or YouTube on my phone. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, I appreciate you. I value you. Yeah, you bad. I can see you on the next one. Cheers.